Steve here from Leading Dental. Today I'm just going to do a quick overview on the features and functions of the iCare Handpiece lubricator. Now you do need to make sure you follow manufacturer's instructions, but this is just a quick overview. Okay, so we're going to install the high-speed handpiece first. This is an NSK, so we just pull back the shroud normally as we would on an NSK high-speed. On the low speeds, we always have to push this little button to release. Make sure you do that. And essentially just use the mechanism that you'd be used to in most cases for your high speeds with your standard high-speed handpieces. Now, if you are lubricating a straight handpiece, you need to make sure you insert the dummy burr, otherwise the handpiece won't rotate properly during the lubricating cycle. Then we load the handpiece in, same as usual. Then we make sure that we've selected each handpiece that has a handpiece inserted so that the blue light is lit above. If there's no handpiece there, make sure that the blue light's not lit, otherwise you're going to direct oil down that port. And also make sure all the heads are facing forward when you put them into the iCare. Okay, now you need to select an air purge length of time. You can choose from short, medium or long air purge. This is just the length of time that the system blows air through at the end of a lubricating cycle, purges any excess oil out. If you're unsure, leave it on the L for long. It's just going to give you an extra purge cycle and reduce the chances of getting any oil in your bags during the sterilisation cycle. Now, once a week I would recommend lubricating the chuck and the head of the handpiece. We install that adapter, which should be stored in the top of the iCare. Then we choose the chuck clean with the door open. We hold the head up, we hit the start button. That's going to inject a little bit of oil and also some air through into the head to lubricate. And then we just put the handpiece onto the appropriate line as we would do before. Repeat the process for however many other hand pieces you do want to use. So if we've got if we've got a high and a low, we do the head on both, put them onto the iCare, and then choose those particular lines of making sure that the blue light is lit above each hand piece. Now we do have some warning lights there for low oil pressure, for the door not being closed, and also an oil indication. Now if that oil indication lights up, that means that you've used 800 mils of your 1 litre bottle of oil. Now what we do is we put a full 1 litre bottle back into the system. It will hold 1.2 litres in total, so if that oil light comes on, a full 1 litre bottle of only genuine NSK iCare oil. Now once a week, just give this little knob on the bottom of this air filter a bit of a blowout, just to make sure that we've got no moisture inside the system. If you do have moisture in there, it means you've got an issue with your air, which should be dry. Make sure you do refer to your user manual, but you've also got this cheat sheet included with every system. Keep that handy, it just goes through the basic features we've outlined here today. Thanks again. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget you can find more information on our website at leadingdental.com.au or give us a call on the office number shown on the screen. Also, make sure you always follow manufacturer's instructions.